diachie transfer kusua cross ebedi onimu anko ama niema ina atumi nso akwaso se na medikan akacho na yensan semna se Enfamfrinas, I know, Aswana and Sanfu from Yenin Koma, Udin Sevi can see, and a Kokoba say, run it in Alexander Isaac, and a Tyson, and also run it and a Daniel Dupios. I want to quite Etimukaswa, now Anyan Sanketra and a knockout, your porch as you was called our few front nine and Sonia Echo Katicum, Nature Sonia Taya, a young Sam Kitchen, son, Pana, and a Chasori was killed to your Bonia Bakuse, Sonia Kofania, Bermartin Tingra. Why mere uni tu so afa sambuta acha se anya sam kitwa na report wa mensa aka ene se abranche uni nsam bout no ebeba so no oba late obra obetu ye no fa chese abra uni obelandi wa chese no honie Wembley na sabout no akwas no belandi ye ne na fa video no to so before some obapano na party cross when if you couldn't report wa mensa aka ene se on 70 people and yes party no some ayajano watch us yes party we just a few hours before the bout our nature sanu Alexander Isaac ababo no party na cross no just Daniel Dubois and our no school no or kwakabo boxing against us no a heavyweight champion like Alexander Isaac na or your party before now sanu bout na Anya Sanketwa Medisan Commando, and so Atmi Airpanti Daniel Dupios, watch a Sana Unia Toto Papa Swa, Nanya Sanketwa Koya Kotumino, Sana no to one of my party and I am so Emonon Sukolusia, Fabrante and Tini Moises Kaiseto, Atos Mamma Yabo Brante Abaso, Ewa Ya Equator, Anya Sanketwa, Sesiana Moises Kaiseto, Unian some Tiabetoja, and said Nayabasubo Sunko, Atmi Ediama Moises Kaiseto, Edmund Semina. Atumensu eba bibiano akoso eti amawo na diachie ayasa uninsa unia okachoso timeno na moko kwaje Club Cup no edba entiwe yabra Moises Kaiseto Alanti ye ewo Equatorial National Assembly ya Ghana ha anke the Parliament of Ghana which as ewo ona kwaje na basobo no na we no den sempi tutwa bompanifo baso award wa omodi amano na unia akasa ya na wajam suom na nua tini suo na akwa rawo se ono ofri ikweda kura bi ase ono awon kira te poini ate tu e wofom nyansam ketwa na nei ono Moises Kaiseto no waduru test level na so no nsom ye pona poso ewo ikwetwa ani chance atimi afa ba branche no eno na chasani suo na ote adimu ankoma no ebanti Moises Kaiseto rama eno abra na chase okono uninsam one chasa no eye president edema na sa assembly no orura ne ten anso ene North Olsen and first assembly member Aya Frickson George and a Coco PM our assembly one ma announce etimi kwaji na watch no ema niema inans etimi cross ede san komano to German niema ina akwaso kama ete amawo yentroswe na yenko Paris Saint-Germain and na mino ka say so uramo our museum of Paris Saint-Germain starting from today Tuesday 22nd of July uramo Paris Saint-Germain museum one ma obakwa kwato chaserufa champion trophy no uninsa since amuji trophy no na amomfan konkosi sano museum ho na chese anunsu no aswe entina akwakoba se amomfan kosi museum ho enei along last year den sun akwakosi museum ho no ma enei se uramu award sano museum of nasano Paris Saint-Germain Parc de Prince Awunso no obetumen som akwakowe ya Champions League trophy na ere sansam anso tum eba ma niema ina akwaso yanto so na cheni kama na Sunderland team na anso very brand new na part ewa sano na season omo weketa omo bayi so anya sanketwa na aweketa no blue jersey ano ana idea to school so we no Simon Adingra ana chase we na kwota we atuma na season obe dia ma Sunderland enya aduma ketwa kwa na some chase future see ana sano jersey no futures na some numbers of other clever touches ana so across our year Sunderland tina man yama ina atuma some across na saketa mo so atumi afa ya no omni pay tribute e de ma club no nso ne proudness no eye maritime identity afesunda kola no anso no ebenya city by the sea on my demonstration anso atumi apa ono estetim into the back of the neck no na wacha se urama amonso asa cha inside no amonso a future a patriotic nod to the north lake puerta edimonsan anso atumi aba nti jesu na maya na afe we jesu na sha simona dinkrana afa cha anya senketwa ntumetuma kopebi na wato nso atumi afa se na cha so support Sunderland team no na season because there's some African players from Asasa enya senketwa edimonsan apa yenko abrante ne tin ene chana sa papa ne tin abie Chikarito Hernandez na uninsa nipa wa ko modina tempa e won tintam video so few days ago sa papa ya hey or the video about bontin and the video no me ana archer say ema meka say ema nyina ye failures ema failure chas enya senketo mugusu kro mu faili ni na say osema chas it as eradicating and someone so omu eradicating masculinity dia akwakoba ne say osema ase ene akwakoba say ompese en era na yeramu no ompeso mu fa mema attitude bi sa no the idea man the idea to mutum say what men can do, women can do better. Enti hwehwani mu ni piribi ene eche say omo de pire na nipa ni so a omo ma na wiase no kwa no ase attention bia pa wiase bi udwu wa won tiase ema suman man tiase ese omo de ese omo mese ema ho de akuto omo caring omo nurturing receiving sounds are multiplying cleaning sustaining no na ya na say sustaining home and yet the most precious place edema mema no man ana wasa man we aso no moye no munya an attitude of na sanu nei asa mone mema ana echechasam ahwiabomo mema na chasam nsuma atane ana mema nsuma na mu tenati ana maya kase ya kan wi amomfa asa oba kwa no hu se be ma edini so ana ya ne ya ene ne me ya me mpin ma be ma metim so ana debe na kasa pi osam fa so bia nhyeda ni suntu yo pa na cheso we wiasi mu atase asam achaso edi ya be ma ene bedu so brafom na mema enim so na munya senei makunkun mema tutu ana mu tenati a edi ansama owura ne tin havie na sano ayo Chikarito edi tutwa mene sansam na apa na nyama nyina kwaso se de babosa kwa na wadwa bruta se de walamba sema no anya senketwa dim amchachini ema kama enwa ana chasa no nso no urama onvelu no eba so Manchester United anya very prime imbuemo as their player anya senketwa mambuemo na so se ya nya Chelsea for hwa no ya de mbuemo eba amama besia no na season anya senketwa na embuemo uninsa last season no ekoba no say over 20 goals contribution eno nya Adama Brentford team na twuma oya cha no according to the report amensenso atum eka as open one player most crosses our Premier League kinma aya brand embuemo for Brentford wa na anya senketwa enu Manchester United team no anya onvelu no form Santos na yenwe on Jason Wilcox ana tuo no na after onvelu no ana Jason Wilcox adin sama to twa na no some achem sa Brandon Bowman goals na say record wa onya no Premier League ni air subsona Chelsea anya senketwa ne Roma Carbona sa consistency put among the most protective players in England for the last 3 years ya anya se ko say Brandon Bowman no e wo Chelsea wo as a project Manchester United no abrantu betumi aboma niam nyina kwaso etema Manchester United ya eri ansema no so Jason Wilcox edi atutwa also very delighted so no atumi secure another one primary target ahead of preseason tunnel and brand Mbeumo also the experience in the US no be a perfect opportunity for Brand Mbeumo no some ejeram abepia anya senketwa Mbeumo ana hwelwe Manchester United we kit no February Chelsea what just Chelsea for Mamincha Chelsea Kole and Darota Imanta Kina Amina Chelsea for Omujino Angela Nyafasa Manchester United just need a buta I semera to a coupa de chocolate Minya so ana Sana Sanya Sanki 20 Manchester United Chesno, and I when I'm Buemo, Jersey number 19, and Alba Sherman 19 in Pierre, no Bian Buemo, Jersey number 19, and I just say, Abran Tentini Brand in Buemo Abashia at Mediama Manchester United, Amaniama, you know, some to me across, yes, what I sent him Buemo Unia and Jersey number 9 for Kama, I just say, Anya some Kitwa, now Buemo after Sonia Son a contract, you know, and also some so young with some Manchester United. Aya interest the money near fight brutal. No one say where your opportunity, a very big opportunity. But at once say I want some a German one no. And Jacoban Sanas and entire sooner than ever no. And I know some adjutuma. And also a dear mentality. As always, you know, watch us obey better than yesterday. And our Manchester United OP as obey better at a chance as an so say not here. Oh, Brown for Nani and Sima Brian and Puemo and some idea to try. Medicine command answer to me Appa, Nabi answer to me across Adiama Waya Chimantin as a Yanto said now sending Commodia. Now Bruno Fernandes, a captain at Manchester United team after Brandon Boom on Valley now. On this idea of a cartoon Tentafian so another two. Hey, also welcome home. There's a Mbuemo no 19 not to sa. And to Mbuemo Alante, Ononata Bruno Fernandes. And some welcome in the Sayamo Akoba. And the theater of dreams, Manchester United. The Rotables of English soccer. It is Sansan Apana, Ninjas and Yonkopa. A Yachasarisa. Now there is a yarn of my first Jarisa Bruta. For real, son and woman to Sumame, a Cobana said, much as Urisa. So Cobana said Manchester United. Oh, very brand new Boma Risa Watina. What I said, your honor, Abayane said, oh, or to Risa saying from friends to enemies. From France to enemies, I said, now, so once I said, no, me and I'm for. But they said, oh, we are big enemies, I know some Kitwa. Also, we'll talk about it in 10 years' time. Thank you, boss. And the idea was, you know, I try to come catch us from France to enemies. Necessarily, or no, or your chance of running boom with time for Cassia. And now, St. Kitwa, and nurses in Saturday for what Sibis Fasan or Udin Boom Buye. Yachina Sebastian Bruta, out as some Kitwa. Now, Manchester United, Tinima, Yenin, come on, I run 10 Jokeras, when Sabran 20 course contribution. I was plotting on a young some K20 Cabas interest. No, I am more nay Arsenal, as from any other Manchester United, as any other young some Kitwa. It is some commander Abba, no other report. I'm saying, cancer, and now Martin intermediate so much between Victor Jokeras and it's no, I just put no, and you are 2 Manchester United in him as a nay Arsenal, since can own here, and in Kaubaya Kabi Jacket. Not as I also know about Frances Tony Brantenting and Victor Jokera said Sanson and Pantino and no romantic as intermediaries, you know, of Brantenity and Victor Jokeras and now Manchester United. Yeah, and Sanson Abba Rasmus Winter Hodgland. Yenia Branton come over can remedy to him as Rasmus Winter Hodgland, you know, what as I could one share Uniam about Crosswell Stadium Manchester United. Report from inside. An Ukrainian enemy likely as some Brante Crossway area Manchester United and some Kitua Sabran to a chance or Yanachine and answer as a Manchester United Timinum or Crosswas and what Portuma and Manchester United were fighting for position. No, Swinema in Atuma cross Obia, where same way was some and young Fena, you bet Chim were fast and brutal. Archers and some Kitua, no, Anachas Etuja, as some Sakwatai, and so no water, Rasmus Winter Lantino, and also Manchester United Timino, Ebenya and Comejana Quana Wadland say, unless Manchester United Timino, and Casa Area to just Uncle, and I say, Peters Biapa, it is Catria, say Uncle, and now Sapa saw never found back, and so for Manchester United, yes, Sebi Uncle Fasay, about cross to us, and on Sabachma, and the Manchester United, yeah, it is sound some and so to me about, maybe also to me across. So, young Manchester United goalkeeping position. Wouldn't Sunday Manchester United epe 2 keepers. Now 2 keepers, or experience bako, and our purchase and so a young goalkeeper bako. Hey, my way now to say, Ray Abrancho Sinaka and Royal Antwerp Lamens and I was Manchester United Timon. Oh, very cool relationship. retire empanifo amonso no ewe sabranche we so a amonso otas ewe ne contract ewe ne deal no so enti Manchester United ewe gidie esa kwambia so toto niema ya ne nsansam obetimi aka sakwede no no nso abepia ade Manchester United ya eremu nsa ne anso atumi abama niema yina atumi nso akwaso afefa dibu tonso na ye ni dibu so ne ho ankama de gem esa Manchester United after some pay young keeper no experience keeper mudi na chi eye Emiliano Martinez Depo atasam anyasem kitwa unensa Depo no Manchester United ene ne camp edi komo severally amo yeso amo sabe ka branchen signature na niema yina nsam atumi akaso entity airpan sa Depo no Manchester United so ene tetenwa anyasem kitwa de Sansan Empire yenko Marco dos Santos Alvaro Rashford na jeni no nkoma niema yina entumi so ankaso na Manchester Rashford report am say cancer dot na which is Wednesday and abasa team no what say ebon felu no na ene abrante we betreni Jama LC Persona obi an first training session Ajama Pasa, Amaniama Yans Achimia Kosua, Eden Sansan Evan Marcus dos Santos about Ross Farana, Unia Bedi training Ediama Pasa, and Yansen Kitchedimon San Pamaniamina, Atumi Alcoso, and Tamso Young Ram out Frankie Dion, na young Quadia Quatano Ancomo, Frankie Dion Repertoire, Mensansam Atumi Aka, and Sa Unen Sene Pasa Paso Church and a contract him. Now Quacoba Nano what I said the Panta between Frankie Dion and the agent to Basa would need you come out. I bet you just Frankie Dion and an agent no ever party ways. In 20 party ways we are, and Sana Pasa, and your Quanya Atmes and Frankie Dion contractor, and Moon San Pantino Chesomun chain, some Frankie agent Ali Tasson, ever to my Fabian Sanamako, Aqua Church and a contract Lima, and uncommon report from Seka, and a Friday, and at the coach Cristiano Santos Alvaro Fernandez, the squad finisher of Nasano, Ayocha Secretary Ronaldo, Siano 7, Ebetrani Anna Sertimino, our campo, and some Kitchen Monsano, and some to me about Ronaldo, Ebetrani Anna Sertimin on Friday. No, no, months are started prisoner, Edmondson, Paye Rama Ramatete, now Jenin Como, Aquatane, Tin Anthric, Saquatare in Ponopo, or a striker Edima Ramate Timina. Ayan Sanketwana de Elba, I say nay Ramate Timino, I am Pressa a Gemu Aquatai, Dudona Wabako, and Uncle Abacoswa say any atatia. Now report one and sono, to some Pansa Ramada Timino, area to Jassa, or more genius Runco, our quatanity and the Kinua, a Quabacos and Selpochuma, to me Jama Ramada Timino, no more Shassa moment at time. No way at Aji and Swas and we had the I recover ye, no Swassa Tani Abipia, at the Amar Ramata. To when send money ya enchebia abrante we so no abi opportunity na no so start game saudo e dia marama tetedum common and so to me epa na report am second samaro to me no some matches and can ever return by 8th to 10th now sano weeks mu baby now say by September late September early October baby and America basa return abipia dia marama teta edum san epa na unsa Luka Modric after remaded echo na Real number 10 no just be vacant player bia enkuta number 10 no two players are what as your mon so twa no say Madrid number 10 be mu bako and that screen so no it has circle and popular thing and also atakule o mu bako and Chelsea na urama na Chelsea number 10 ya Chelsea run 10 and Luka Modric eja to anam no o be tabiri anso to mi chamana it is san seven amania maina na to mi so akoso e dia ma wo ya chimate no aso na remated and abranted tini Gonzalo Garcia remated and Gonzalo Garcia and so no Chelsea ameno say omuna branchen edin commence on church and contract no entimi enfama rema de tim chabranche be conso stay abotuma eti ama rema teta ere sound semen enso atumi aba ma niema ina atumi nso akoso na exclusive story eba onin nsem be de tu twa edma esa Abrantanity and so Nicoas and Trinity and some no thousands Portimano attack now Flamenco around for the signature Rama David announcer Felipe Luis head coach Edma Flamenco on the director Edma Flamenco Joseph Porto and Abrante Edin commence Oma Trinium or Brazil. What jet tomorrow report I'm say cancer touch now which is Wednesday about travel around Brazil or some Marcosons and contractional ultimate some at Ama Flamenco Edmund San no anso tumi eba eno a medi sa kwata we nkomo edema ne tini Ilya Zabanyi for Ilya Zabanyi to so yes bomb of defender no ene akoko betotwa sa Paris Saint-Germain team no ayaman twensam amudi new improved proposal ebe kwa command bomb of team no for signature of Abranten tini Ilya Zabanyi no so atuma bepia etama de sansan eba kawunu sa tasano personal terms ne de omo agree that as June entina kobano said yakano era contract between us and announce agreement between clubs na eremo ankomano anso tumi ema kama na nkomo we cross one tintamfie so cross over other media so well say omo de message no misinformate fans omo so ya na omo so follow sports we asimo ente de bia me catch us stay tuned no so listen to your best sports channel our YouTube so Sports Star TV your best sports channel our Facebook so just Sports Star TV na for update na engu from enfama o dwane and for comment to us no bia enya bi so ntumi amfa hwe fa Morgan Gibbs White and the fiancé ne to so Morgan Gibbs White and the fiancé yes omienu na ta so no abeto dwa se o enei na Morgan Gibbs White wan twani no champ for the team no ene man ko Portugal unin said not champ for the team no and na Saturday omuni ayefuam about 12 game for Portugal manum so ne prison game omo kwakobo na no ana beto dwa se nei Morgan Gibbs White ne bofu enti na wankono we chachechenie ne wife anase ne fiancé ya friend Britney de Valiers sababa wai wa fafuro anna da hono na fo ese kutu wacha sa kwakoba sendem ya TikTok na sano influencer o sense Instagram influencer bano cha TikTok ni ja no Instagram so followers brutal a cha sa enyan sem kitwa na baba wa we enchai ena ode cha sa picture na eda be kufa picture na nkwato so mame na minimum common ode sa picture about 20 evidence which is Instagram no so and some ediku so as to all the mamas who are dealing with and us or have dealt with a high risk pregnancy, my heart really goes out to you and I want you to know you are not alone. This has not been one of the hardest things I have dealt with and I just don't really remember a time I wasn't overwhelmed with stress. Enti onyema oda hospital say enya senketo anu wo chine buruta e ma mon kafra e ko ban sam e say boy chine botum sa na mo so no mo de ade so ya basamo wa cha na akwa se na baba wo we ne won che no nche no na sa hospital na ota ora se no so ebe wo no na akwa se Morgan Gibbs White personally o say on to me follow team no to Portugal wa bla no ne se fiancé so da hospital ono so ne won fa no nto so tan ho enti ono nti na nam so a amana ntwani team no o Portugal na nya sa ne bo ana fafu a eremu nsan no punch the reason why Morgan Gibbs White and ntwani o tan for us team no na me dia ma ene yan tro so one thing wonders team no at the 15 million euros plus add-ons Eramu Ameria for a signature of Abranten Tini Mark Popel for the signature out as anyan some kitwa kaunu sa personal terms omo agree club to club agreement no and aka medicine semen eba jenin komo o chase e wa Abranten Tini Joaquin Panichale madi kamedi no komo eno na Joaquin Panichale no Uni sa enei Strabok enya branches enya sem kitu akra Strabok pisa within this week no obenya green light no so akofa eya brantenti ene Panichari area Frina se Deportivo Alaves emo no so bepia etamo mo a ene mo san eba no sa urama no Tottenham Sportimu a share the signature Palinga of no san eya Bayern Munich nam German Seka from eya Tottenham pay ene Bayern Munich no se Bayern Munich demanded 30 million pounds and sana wa jai Palinga emo no so akopia area Tottenham Sportimu no Tottenham si 30 die onya ne sika sen of ento betwa 20 million pounds wa ene mo san eba na Tottenham mo a Tottenham timu no area so mo san so ebetumi aka na sa no Atletico de midfielder corner gara no so ebepia atumi so area Tottenham Spa ere san sam eba ma pia ansam atumi akoso ka uno sa se na Branton assassin options ewo England ana first no se article obenya praying time so obenya praying time article dia ene ya on ko England en kopahwe nem onya praying time dia obetwani Tottenham team no wo very ko de ko so a eba chasam ensema betotwa ese boss team no ahwehwe the signature of the go de ko as en ngururu da sem enu kura bia enim wacha se ensita some boss akwa no be so se okopema the player because one can say ya we say impossible for him until on nan so le kwa na one report time in purpose e de ko Santiago and answer mother general officer say okwa kope wadriku emfa entinum ba bia obete sa sori we no moamoa Desmond bi ben wa fatum wa chache because eyenhuro nwara sema erimu nsan anso atumi eba ubakaya abrante ne tini Abdallah Uzani sabrantewe oye Morocco ni abra kwa na wesoa nanka o joining rema the team no na koba say report we ben sabrantewe afelin medical test no enti onyanyo ne rema the dam o sam returning back to Ajax Amsterdam team no na okokodu ya na abrante ne agent o man kwankoda so omo nsunum ekowura mu awa chese 2 doctors a omo Amsterdam UMC Medical Center o emo kwakoye test ni mienu omo ye 2 times 2 different doctors and na obia chase abrantewe healthy and fit to play day in day out na chase agent ne so mun chase asa rema de beka say one passing medical omo hunu medical kura amara medical team near ya omo se sabrantewe am passing medical no enta mo so atima fa adwaburuta an chese anya senketwa report wa men sansom atumi eka and some about results no am remated na remad area man medical team so me da chance no mo hwehwem anhwe wacha se the results no akwakoye se de tienti abrante no wacha se remad obey medical ho na chese omo say unqualified na se de okoduru okọ back to Amsterdam okọ no so nachas oye obi unfita edimun sane airport no kuhwe mu kusu ekoso omrema da edimun sane ema kama na yenko Olympic di Marseille na yenko di komo na chese niam ina entumi enkoso fa Timothy Weah atosoma me ye George Weah ne bonu ne ye fa ne Timothy Weah shabron to Marseille timne ne ampere ne signature enya senketwa edimun sane eba omne Juventus kama na nachas coach ni progress very well ka unu say there's a good relationship between these two clubs and Timothy Weah chese to Marseille there personal terms agreed club to club no so enya problem a progressive very well enche abrante here we go ebetimi afa su e de amana de mon san eba tanto Marko Arnautovic to Kravna Zavda uni anso anya hwe a okopia atumi tama mo a e mon san eba from Inter Milan 2 years ago and was sign anso no atumi Eri Kravna Zavda, Edmund San Eba, Federico Chiesa of Liverpool. Yeni Abrantano and Comana Yamina, and to me and Cosso. Liverpool, Aquia prison Nasan, Aquia prison, and so our elsewhere. Report from Seca, some prison Mocacano, Abrantan, Federico Chiesa, and Kobe, and a sort of Susa Sabrantaway, and Can Plants into Janaquine, Unin some Abrantan and Socomias, or also San Tenant Port to Italy. Last season, Mocafano, Wafasa, Obey Wangara Morisa, and Fama Liverpool team today. On person said China Coin Park, no Saratane, back to Italy. I did sound seven and Sotum Airpa. Chelsea are rejected offers. Fabranta Tinima Gui. Madika Abayan and one story. Oh, actually, we said Magui, no, the Chia, some a lot of clubs. Ed Magui, a chia, or we have some Samson Abaka Magui. Magui say, it's 3 towns in a Chelsea championship. About so or say, our Chelsea, I am Major League Cinema or Copia. Amani, I answer to me Cosso. Now the airport, some Maguino, Nania Press of every Chelsea because, of course, just a cabinet captain or see when you're praying time to a very jar. And now send Kitchen to every Chelsea team and it is some Latimia Fatoma, Edmund San Airport to the Eba, Sir Chelsea, a lot of offers and about for Magui or rejected Chelsea, and so no Archer say, I am Jane, as offers be about for trouble Chaloba, Obejama Branton Ako. Unin sa Trevor Chaloba according to Chelsea say we say Fofana ahead of Chaloba etini kombia so offer biaba Chaloba no omejan amana kweremon san enso to me eba Juventus offer Swamptel to aya Porto team no as Abrante din Abeto Costa ebe joining FC Porto na Porto so no ajai amamo right back Abrante din Joao Mario enso joining aya Juventus so edemon san enso to me eba ni atola ekoso ka unu se Joao Mario eba for Diego Costa na Juventus ebe sign the 3 million euros era free Porto one offer mo da koto Porto anim se Porto dituma so abto no betimi afa akoso a edemon san eba Xavi Simons unu sa Sabrante we Chelsea na elite racing for the signature and Bayern Munich team no uram awane kampoa atase jaba musara ya engineer ana mo static ya say egura Abrante we come some here signature omo ne omo adi nkomo ada omo adefere from a say na Abrante we say opese or join Chelsea anya senkitu akra na dema akra Abrante we join Chelsea say Bayern Munich nkomo na odinum o say ontwen no ebeto player ana so beto player so ton players na wama kwan ama brante nso abadwan ne team no eno enanam nso a kyerse ama ne nkomo no enso no ankoye between one Bayern Munich enam so ama okọ Chelsea team no abrante ne tin ane Chelsea neck Watermid unu nse Watermid tin dey out me no nkomo eba one Bayern Munich jono de report me say cancel likely sad ne ntimi kwankoye possible abakọ so say e dey must to gat team no de wom ayase nei abrante na ne tin so no ene Chelsea no eye Nick Watermid no eno a Chelsea Stuttgart empany for kwatena say na ya 12 member supervisory board ene kwatena say na nkomo no unu said the latest offer from Bayern Munich watch Chelsea no Stuttgart 50 million euros plus 5 million euros add-ons package na ko 55 million euros na akwaja we ni obi oni ball no ball goals was Sedema Stuttgart last season. Oh boy, Emma DB Pokano Stuttgart edges in also a key player Edemamo Ubekayam Ewa Chasano Euro under 21 tournament no now a key part Ewa did match Chasano a German under 21 team Umramo Grand finale Ekobody Tia England and among so Antumi Anye Ewa it's England Jat and Eddie from Munsama Edemun San Bana Jatia Sa non Sano Abrante Nick Watermetano Aqua says Sikano Modibano. Yes, sikani sha. Uninsa ene sa sika yenso Bayern Munich ede ba no. Make us 20 million euros ahead of na so omo record na signing. O people am ton kese pa. Player no omo 35 million euros. And na say o ton 55. No we aba say aba record signing e wo ye so no Stuttgart history mo. Na mpanifo no omo achemienu e fancy omonye. E fancy mo omonye. Na omo so omonye no empanifo shareholders edema team no omo nso asema amonye ai empanifo pa no mo team no omo se mo amonye urama de tie sa Stuttgart CEO Orane tin ane Alexander Wahal osemo amonye Samsung Sporting Director Fabian Nelson ayewo Gemat asemo amonye Samsung omo support no every majority no supervisory board urama President Nelson edema team no Jatme Al-Nasa Oje ono semo amonye shoulders mienu Porsche ana fasu Mercedes nyina asemo amonye sa offer no enti akwakoba senei edema no akwakoya ten atumi so jama Bayern Munich sen sanso no ebetimi akanek Watermid amedem amtete no ekufam atumi so ede amawo Christian Mosquera to Arsenal, Tanto, the American, Wayawe, Unia, and Yansen sign a contract, Eddie Ama Arsenal, and Yansen Ketra Cry, what two, Eddie Fulentin, and none of Payabra, maybe to the Fulendi, Abbe Pimus, Yanano, no, to Yansen Ketrani, Christian Mosquera, Babra no war a year, Heathrow Airport, no fanatics, so now Omoyano, I, Miani Kakra, Heathrow Airport, one or Kofa, just a flight, Eddie up to Eddie Johnny Arsenal, Timno, Singapore, and that's one. Na o PM o 12 London akọ PM o Singapore no nso adwane Arsenal squad no na wahwe e wo screen so ama niam ina atumen so akọso tiase asa Barca team no ane Chelsea Danzu Dumfries ne kam any active nkomo bia Jorge Mendes no no sound splash nkomo bi na nya active nkomo bia sa amon so edinya no ka uno still na Barca e wo gidie asa Jules Koundé the best right back in the world, right back in war. On no ubetindi na compare Jules Koundé. Enya senketo akwanti Koundé no. I'm the best right back in the world according to Barca. Eyonwa. Still na omo gidie wonu muso bakoswa sti airport juma. Etimda mamo obecheche no contract jinom na we ya juma enya senketo anti Jules Koundé. Eno so no wonsa no unua na hwo no we na team ade akoma Copa del Rey final no. Omo mbroken heart eni esu yin na enya senketo akwa. Na according to report from Nseka from Real Madrid. Some unin Sarama de Timino, about just a coach. Sabi Alonso, so young midfielder, defensive midfielder. I for the two players, your moon sign midfielder this summer. Because midfielder money down, so Rodri. Rodri 100 million euros. Or they play a free injury, but uncle 100 million euros. You know, on a party, what did you onto? Now, the Abelnia said, last season, no, I ever born. So, what the modern money to me, Jan and our society, maybe 2027. Abako akwafano dinaba Edmondson no enso atumi pana niema ina atumi enso akoso na Raskuku Makukurera wacha se ono nso na den sem atutwa sem Rashford or Jennifer a very good tell because Rashford very fast o dwane o very pesi player say o pusiwa enye ezi krantinum o the sign pesi form no ewuramu opa paso na ebetima boana enyan senketwe mu enkomo no enso atumi pana niema ina atumi akoso na se o last season modern man hanti data and no our Barca boys ne tana dina a surprising blue type one suda as a timandin any Barca boys in ebetimi other star performance in Edia and Sama Raskuku at the air to Chadmunds and a fancy that afflict also since on a monsoon as started war a Barca dressing room hall. I players no Piasso and Chassis my bench no. When say last season no a cocoba Sunday and Hansi Data Flake our head coach Edema LC Barcelona no watch us Onurama and Oko benchi neki pena after say my camera to second prayer no na ineki pena ni so no be number 1 and only Oko benchi no o benchi ni we na actually na tase wojina sasini aba sasini we wo ma sasini benchi na kipena dwai e ma manso ba between na kipena ene owura ntini Hansi Flick and nei kura na banta de so and the banta fufura sorry Rashford Belland ye no Dani Olmo Gavi Rafinha any other boys no biase on Chelsea me bench no Ferran Torres obiase also no suya start oyonso no enya starting 11 ni muran se ro Barca boys ni twe no mudi nyansen ke to biase also no so no starter edema Barca team na edisansem no enso atimi eba na Atletico Madrid enso ni Chelsea ashen komo Barca eno a obeka me de to anim ese Ronaldo Vieira defender edema Chelsea was say yes to Atletico Madrid team no ene sabranchewi enso Atletico Madrid ashasiam one PSG team no anase Chelsea edin komo for branchewi signature na Ronaldo anase Hugo Ekitike kaunu anase sabranchewi 40 million euros ena onso ko fana de be fana yenko Hugo Ekitike so na yenye fancy inseminancy ay nya zenketo man elfo edin buta je cheni yosa anopai ena Hugo Ekitike tu ya Fabia na offer flight no atoso mame otu oni ni agent owura ne ten no enso no ene chose Carl Nwalo Nwalaku oni di na chi agent ne di na chi Hugo Ekitike ena offer flight no omotu abepie mu o Merseyside which is England abe sign the contract abe medical sign the contract area ma Liverpool team no ti Hugo Ekitike ena hwe no skin so no na wabelande Fabia Orlando ya na okọ echese Liverpool hono no Liverpool office akọ medical no atom mabia na chese video no tika no no fatu smame na jeni nkoma chese enya asenketu akwa Hugo Ekitike wabra ono nso no wacha se Orlando oni ni agent no na ahwe mo nso ewe screen so no na wakwakodu the offices of Liverpool chese no nso no kwa medical atumi nso edi amamo yes ka ne na eba no ka we mu ana Hugo Ekitike etie ono nso ebe ni medical atumi nso edi ama timanitin nso ene chese no Liverpool enya asenketu anti Liverpool mo pretoto nhwehwe ne mo enti enya motan yenya fa sense Jadon Sancho to Juventus no eye on hold ni na aye se Juventus se opeso wie Francisco Consecao owie a opese osan onas oton san wingers te se Nico Gonzalez ana afenso no eye Timothy Weah any players aka ne bi wie ansana we sika area befa Jadon Sancho sisi ade ya putting on hold kakra entemre pam they will come back for Jadon Sancho asenya senketo na kauno se abetodwa confirm official Como versus FC Barcelona for the One Gampa Trophy. Ebekoso August 10th. Announce no Obagan ha 8 o'clock p.m. Ewe Johan Cruyff Stadium. Into One Gampa Trophy this season no Como versus FC Barcelona and ebo One Gampa announce Johan Cruyff Stadium. Edmund Sen enso atumbabi a Barca Athletic and afesu mabawa no ebo mu game se ho and asa game so e paswa. Ede san semino e ma kama awo juma jini so